Hello everyone, Namaskar and welcome back to my 6th episode of my podcast Skillshare with Vrinda. In our previous episodes, we've explored the pillars of effective communication that are active listening, non-verbal cues, cultural understanding and empathy. Today, we delve into another crucial element, clarity. Clarity is the beacon that guides our messages through the noise of daily life. It ensures that our intentions, ideas, and emotions are conveyed accurately and understood by others. In a world where information bombards us from all directions, crafting clear and concise messages becomes paramount. Whether it's a simple conversation, a business presentation, or even an email, clarity prevents misinterpretations and misunderstandings. Let's start with the unspoken word. Using simple and precise language can make a significant difference in how our messages are received. Avoiding jargon and acronyms ensures that everyone can follow along. But clarity isn't just about the words we speak. It's also about the structure of our messages. Organizing our thoughts logically helps the listener or reader grasp the key points effortlessly. In written communication, consider the power of formatting. Breaking down information into bullet points or headings can enhance readability and comprehension. Now, let's talk about context. Providing enough context around our messages helps others understand the why behind whatever we are saying. This context fosters a deeper connection and prevents ambiguity. Emphasizing the importance of feedback cannot be overlooked. When we receive feedback, we gain valuable insights into how our message is perceived and can make necessary adjustments for clarity. Active listening, which we discussed in our previous episode, plays a role in clarity too. Asking for clarification and paraphrasing what we've understood ensures that we're on the same page with the other person. As communicators, we must be aware of cultural and language differences that can impact clarity. Taking the time to adapt our communication style to suit our audience leads to a better mutual understanding. So, how can we continuously improve our clarity? It starts with awareness and practice. Pay attention to how your messages are received and be open to refining your communication approach. Let's strive for clarity in every interaction. Whether it's a one-on-one conversation, a public speech, or a social media post, let's aim to be understood and to understand others better. As we wrap up this episode, let's embrace clarity as the compass that guides us through the vast sea of communication, enabling us to connect and resonate with others in profound ways. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of the power of clarity. Together, let's unlock the potential of clear and effective communication in our personal and professional lives. Until next time, this is Vrinda Gupta signing off. Stay tuned and keep striving for clarity in every word you share.
अपनी इंटरपर्सनल क्षमताओं को सुधारने और मजबूत संबंध बनाने, सफलता को प्राप्त करने और एक संतुष्ट जीवन को ग्रहण करने के रहस्यों को
अनलॉक करने के लिए तैयार हो जाइए। जी हाँ, मैं वृंदा गुप्ता, एक सॉफ्ट स्किल ट्रेनर और एक्सपर्ट, आपका स्वागत करती हूँ स्किल शेयर पर, जहाँ हम साथ में सॉफ्ट स्किल की मास्टरी की कला को खोजेंगे।
मैं वृंदा एक जोश टॉक स्पीकर
और हजारों इंडिविजुअल्स को ट्रेन किया है और जाने माने ब्रांड्स के साथ कोलैबोरेट किया है, जैसे कि Amazon, डव, प्यूमा और भी बहुत से। Join me in my podcast where I will be speaking about communication skill, personality development, interview preparation, business communication, business etiquettes and mental health. कुछ बातों का मतलब, कुछ मतलब की बातें. क्या मतलब?